In this program, we are going to print Fibonacci series but using arrays. I'm using array of size 20. Then n is the number that will be entered by user, which will denote number of elements that will be using from this array, and I is my index variable. So I'm asking user to enter n, and after that, because we know that first two elements from the Fibonacci series are 0 and 1, so I'm initializing a0 with 0 and a of 1 with 1. So a0 is initialized to 0 and a of 1 with 1. So suppose user has entered 5, then because first two values are already stored, we need to calculate from this location till this. So our for loop will begin from 2 and it will go till less than n. So if user has entered 5, so it will go till 4. So this loop will execute from 2 till 4. So in the for loop, we need to calculate these values iteratively. So in case of Fibonacci series, what we need to do is this element will be calculated with adding these two numbers. So a of 2 will be equal to a of 1 plus a of 0. Now in order to achieve it iteratively, here my index variable is equal to 2. So array of 2 is equal to array of 2 minus 1 plus array of 2 minus 2. So the current index minus 1 will give you previous element from the Fibonacci series, and minus 2 will give you previous to previous element from the Fibonacci series. So your statement would be a of I, that is current index, is equal to a of I minus 1. So you get the first previous number plus a of I minus 2, you get the second previous number. So here 0 plus 1 will be 1. In the second iteration, 1 plus 1, that will be 2. In the final iteration, 2 plus 1 will be 3. And after that, this for loop will get completed. And after that, we are just simply printing values from 0 to 4 and will print a of I. So a of I, that is for loop starting from 0 to 4, is this part. So it will simply print all these array elements, which is now containing a Fibonacci series that we have calculated in this for loop.